Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be on this gorgeous hair that I got from Yolissa Hair. I am so excited. I haven't done a hair review in a long time because I've been sick, but I'm feeling a little better now. So yeah, it feels good to, you know, put myself together. Like when you look good, you feel good. So yeah, this is a gorgeous water wave unit, and before I give you the specs and all of that, we're gonna get straight into the unboxing. Then I'm gonna show you the install, and then I will give you all the specs and my first thoughts on this unit. So definitely stay tuned if this is something you would like to see. So today's collaboration is with Yolissa Hair. It came in this pink box. It's so pretty. Inside was a satin satchel, and then it was a red satin hair tie. Also a melting band and a baby hair brush. And as far as the specs, this is water wave 13 by 4 HD lace front wig. It's 24 inches. This is what it looks like after I washed that. I lost the footage of it right out the box, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, inside it has 3 combs, an elastic band, and adjustable straps, and this cap size is medium. Okay, this is me putting it on my head right after it is air dried from being washed and conditioned, and the curls are so pretty, or waves rather. I clipped my hair out of my face so that we could start laying that lace down. Even though it is absolutely invisible, you can't even see that there is lace, okay, at all. I didn't even need to put any, but we want to secure the wig. So I'm gonna use the Even spray today, and we're gonna just spray in sections. So first I started with the front. Okay, and I didn't have my comb available at the time, so I just was using my fingers, but for the most part it would be better if you use your tail comb, like the tail end of the comb. Okay, and I am blow drying it on a hot heat setting, the first hot heat setting, because it's already hot outside and I just did not want to be scorching, so I just did it lightly. Okay, and then we work our way in sections. So you go to the next section on the left side of your head or the right, and then you do the other way, vice versa. So yeah, now I'm spraying down the last section, and after I'm done with that, I am just going to blow dry that part as well. Okay, and you want to make sure it's kind of sticky, because that's how you know it's gonna stay, girl. I don't wait till it's all the way dry, just a little sticky. All right, and now I'm gonna add my melting band on, and I am using the Yolissa Hair melting band. And I'm talking to my nephew on the side, so him a baby. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes and then we'll be back. So I'm back. I'm taking the melting band off, and as you can see, that hairline is laid. You do not see the lace at all. I love the way this came out and how easy it was, because that is the end of the tutorial. But let's get into how this hair looks. I'm gonna show you the front, the back. We're gonna look at the length, all of that. And when I'm done with the hair show, I'm gonna give you again all the specs and my first thoughts. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back, and this is my finished look. The hair is so pretty. Oh my gosh, like I love these waves. Like water wave is literally my favorite texture. Like it just is, because with curly I lose length, but with the water wave you still get the length, you still get that curl, and it is super duper low maintenance. Okay, So this unit is from Yolissa Hair. This is the water wave. It is 24 inches. Cap size is medium. It's a 13x4 lace frontal. So this is the parting space right here. Kept with the middle part because I just wanted a middle part. I haven't had a middle part in a long time. I've been doing like a lot of C parts, especially when I get water wave hair, because it just looks so effortless and beautiful in a C part. So this is a unit that you could definitely switch up the parting space. So like while I have a middle part today, the next time I wear her, I might do like a C part. So like I could have like that flip over type of look. Yeah, because that's gonna look so pretty. But this is definitely the perfect unit for the summertime because all you have to do is wet her down. And this is the perfect hair for someone who just wants that kind of like water wave, or back in the day like wet and wavy. This is the perfect type of hair for you. I would definitely recommend this hair, especially if you're going on vacation. I think she is gorgeous. You get her installed with like, you know, a glue that's gonna stay longer, and your whole vacation is going to be amazing because you're not going to have to do much. With this type of unit, you could throw a bonnet on. You can go like this because again, the pattern is way looser, so you could get away with running your fingers through the hair, wetting the hair, letting the air dry. So yeah, this is the perfect hair for the summer. So yes, I'm so happy to have her. 24 inches is hitting me on my waistline, and in the back it hits me at the middle of my butt. So she is pretty long. She is definitely thick. She's given 250% density, but I'm really not sure about the density, but she's given 250% density because she is full, just the way I like her. I have not been experiencing shedding, not as of yet, so I'm just gonna say minimal to no shedding because all hair sheds, okay? But it is very, very minimal. It's nothing to be alarmed about. The lace just melted. I like butter. Like the lace melted like butter. Oh my God. And I didn't even put any makeup or anything. This is just how it looks naturally. So I will highly recommend this hair. I'm gonna have the link to Yolissa Hair, the direct link to this unit, and a bottom bar for you just in case you want to check it out. But yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to switch up the hairstyles. I want to do half up. I think that is gonna look so cute. Yeah, let me know if you like this unit. Let me know if you decide to purchase it. Come back and give your review down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna talk to you in my next video. Bye y'all.